Victoria, so today I'm going to be talking about the aggregation of whale sharks around offshore platforms. Whale sharks aggregate around offshore platforms in the Victoria waters of the Arabian Gulf to feed on fish spawn. Whale shark numbers peaked in May and August, when most of the observed animals were feeding on surface zooplankton. The question is, does fish spawning cause major concern in relation to the declining numbers of the whale shark population? Unfortunately, whale shark populations have been enormously impacted by fisheries throughout the Indo-Pacific. This has caused them to be listed on Appendix 2 of the Convention of International Trades of Endangered Species in 2002. The aggregation of whale sharks occurred in the following locations. This map shows the location of Qatar, the United Arab Emirates, and the Al Shaheen oil and gas field within the Arabian Gulf, and it shows where it is in relation to the Arabian Peninsula. The Gulf is exposed to extreme environmental conditions, with sea surface temperatures regularly exceeding 35 degrees Celsius during summer and dropping below 15 degrees Celsius during the winter. Platform workers frequently report large numbers of whale sharks around the platforms between May and August, and only 3 sharks in early September. This graph shows the estimated number of whale sharks seen during platform and boat observations and new moon phases from May through September 2011, reaching a peak on the 12th of July in new moon phase. Fish eggs were the dominant plankton in the 2 samples taken during feeding by whale sharks, accounting for 66.1 and 76.55% of the organisms present. This is an aerial image of whale shark aggregation in the Al Shaheen area, showing typical density of feeding sharks and variation in size. This image shows a whale shark in close proximity to an offshore platform. Observations by both the platform workers and the author suggested that the tuna are aggregating under or close to the platforms and may be spawning in these locations, which appear to be acting as fish aggregating devices. Fisheries records confirm that this species occur in Victoria waters, where it is believed to aggregate to spawn. The broader spring summer season remains unclear. Aggregations were encountered during boat surveys in May and July. Few surveys were possible during June and August. It is proposed that spawning should be done further away from platforms in future to help protect the decline in numbers of the whale population.